ALIENTEK DM40 in 1 digital multimeter plus oscilloscope plus signal generator. The ALIENTEK DM40 is a high-performance multifunction handheld tool that integrates a true RMS multimeter, a 10 MHz oscilloscope, and a signal generator, all in one unit. It's designed for electronics hobbyists, engineers, DIY repair, labs, and anyone who wants versatile measurement tools without lugging around multiple devices. Checkmark key features and specifications. Here are the main specs and features that make the 40 German marks stand out. Feature description: 3-in-1 functionality multimeter plus oscilloscope plus signal generator in one device. Display: 3.5-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen, resolution 480 x 320. Comfortable viewing, smooth interaction. Count and accuracy up to 60,000 counts for the C version. True RMS measurement for AC and DC. Multimeter ranges DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, AC current, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diode, frequency, temperature. Different models, DM40A, B, C, have slightly different ranges. Oscilloscope specs: 50 MSA, S sampling rate, 10 MHz bandwidth, 10-bit vertical resolution. Supports several trigger modes, YT, roll, etc. Signal generator supports sine, triangular, square, sawtooth waves. Frequency up to approximately 10 MHz for certain waveforms. Amplitude approximately 0.5 to 3.0 VPP depending on mode. Physical and power battery life: approximately 12 hours in multimeter mode, approximately 10 hours in oscilloscope mode. Size: approximately 140 x 83 x 25 mm. Weight: approximately 260 grams. Interfaces include USB-C, MCX probe port, banana jack. Probe options: comes with MCX probe, can use X1, X10 attenuation. Bandwidth depending on probe, e.g. X10 probe has up to approximately 140 MHz probe bandwidth. Gear usage and advantages: all-in-one convenience. Instead of carrying 3 separate tools, you get multimeter, oscilloscope, and generator in one. Saves space, cost, switching time. True RMS and high count means more accurate readings, especially AC and non-sine wave signals. Touchscreen interface makes mode switching, range changes smoother. Good for people who prefer modern UI. Oscilloscope plus signal generator allows testing filters, comparing signals, diagnosing circuit problems more deeply than multimeter alone. Versatile for electronics repair, hobbyist, maker projects, small lab, bench work, educational use, field diagnostics, if portability matters. Warning considerations: limitations: 10 MHz bandwidth is fine for many tasks, audio, general electronics, but not suited for very high-speed digital or RF work. Signal generator amplitude and purity may be modest, best for general testing, not precision signal source in RF applications. Battery life will drop when using oscilloscope and signal generation heavily. The C version with 60,000 counts likely costs more. Lower versions have fewer features, lower ranges.